Hello riders, this is DJDLS. Today we're going to pair the Freedcon TMax onto the DMC mesh of the Cardo Packtalk Bold. Alright, first we need to turn on our Cardo. Press the media button once.
Hello, Packtalk, DMC, INTERCOM, MOVO.
It's now on DMC intercom mode, indicated by the green flashing LED. We need to switch it to Bluetooth intercom mode by pressing the intercom and the call button simultaneously.
Bluetooth intercom mode.
Now you see the LED changed from green to blue. We need to engage pairing mode by pressing the intercom button for around 3 seconds. You'll hear 3 beeps. Now you see the red flashing light
Rider A pairing.
and the voice prompt that says Rider A pairing. Now we need to turn on Bluetooth gateway mode.
Cardo gateway pairing. Cardo gateway pairing.
Right, you'll see now the blue and red flashing lights. That means it's waiting for another Bluetooth device. Now we can turn on the Freedcon TMax. Engage the Bluetooth connectivity on the TMax. Now both have red and blue flashing lights.
Paired successfully.
You'll hear paired successfully on the Cardo. On the Freedcon TMax, you'll hear connected and then disconnected. Don't worry, that's just part of the steps. Now we need to change back the Cardo Packtalk Bold from Bluetooth intercom mode to DMC intercom mode by pressing the intercom and the phone button simultaneously again.
DMC intercom mode.
Alright, we're back to DMC intercom mode. Now we can join the Freedcon TMax onto the DMC mesh of the Cardo Packtalk Bold by pressing the intercom button once. You'll hear a voice prompt on the TMax that says connected, and you are now connected. You'll hear this now on your Cardo. I'm going to speak to the mic now. You'll hear my voice echo because the output of the Cardo is patched onto my speaker. This is the TMax from Freedcon connected on the DMC mesh of the Cardo Packtalk Bold.
Yeah, connect.
Ayun,
Yeah.
Maui. Check mo. Hello? Ayun.
Ayun.
Okay.
Ayos ah.
Ano?
Nag-work?
Oo. Pero hindi ka yung range mo limited.
Limited nga daw.
Basta,
Okay lang.
At least pasok, di ba?
Oo.
Now your friends can enjoy the DMC party happening on your Cardo network. My name is DJDLS. Hope you learned something today. If you did, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Ride safe always. Peace out.
Goodbye.